Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I do have another wig for you guys, and this wig is from Myfirstwig.com. I believe the unit name is SHANTANIA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but if not, it is LFW037, and she is a Malaysian curly short wig, kind of like a bob style. She's in 12 inches, light brown lace color, and I got the cap size in a 2. What I love about Myfirstwig's units, of course, is that they are pre-plucked and their parting space is 6 inches. So I actually have the wig on the wig head a little bit crooked. That's supposed to be a side part and I was not paying attention. So I put it on as a middle part, which is why that side is shorter. But I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. I will leave a video for that down below, along with a video of me actually applying it, because I didn't show it inside of this video because I didn't want to make it too long. But that is what the hair looks like freshly washed with no product, and then this is what it looks like air dried. Absolutely no product in it as well, but I bleached it before I decided to do this video for you guys, so it air dried overnight, and that is what it looks like. So this is what the unit looks like on. Again, if you want to see how I apply my units, I will leave that down below. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and take my foundation powder mixed with a little bit of water like always, and I'm going to go ahead and do this along the perimeter and on the parting area of this unit. So if you see those little horizontal lines, that's just how Myfirstwig has their units sectioned. But once you like scrunch that up and like brush it away, those parts go away. So the curls on this unit are absolutely beautiful. So I just went ahead and added a little bit of water to it. And as you can see, my fingers glide right through. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use the Curl Defining Cream by Eden Body Works and this Elastic Hair Gel, because I originally was going to do like another look with it, but the hair was too short for the look that I was going for. But that's okay. These products still worked perfectly fine. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rake it through with my Denman brush. And yeah. So I tried about 10 different hairstyles with this unit. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a few. And this is just one of them. Just really quick, cute, simple little hairstyles until I decided to diffuse the hair out with my blow dryer. And then I did another style at the end, the one that you've seen in the beginning. So now that I'm watching the film, I actually like the unit like this, and I kind of wish I would have kept it like this, but I guess I wasn't really paying attention. But yeah, I just went ahead and diffused it after this, and then I decided to do like the braided headband look in the front, and you're going to see it in a second. I just go ahead and section out a good amount of space in the front, probably about 2 inches wide from ear to ear, and then I just go ahead and braid it, and then you're going to see me do it from there. So that is pretty much it for this video. All the links will be down below, and any helpful videos will also be down below or in the little cards that pop up in the top. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.